Hello, so I noticed I don't have a lot of battery, so I need to be quick, which is good. But I wanted to tell you about this idea of incremental upgrades or getting what you want right away. Um, yeah, and I thought about it because I've been working with these two ideas, and today when I was making my bed, I was talking about it with my husband, and I noticed that we have the same bed covers since we were married, so many years ago. And we have the same bed covers because those were the bed covers that we put on our wedding list, and we really love them because that's what we really wanted. So we just bought what we really wanted, right? So that's why we never changed them, because we really love them. So I realized that I've been working with these two ideas. One idea is getting what you really want right away, if you can, because that will make you the most happy, right? So I know I have a friend who told me that one day she told me, well, I prefer to wait and to buy what I really want when I have the money, instead of, you know, getting something that it isn't quite what I want. I prefer to save and then buy what I really want. And I really liked that idea, but I also liked another idea, which was the idea of incremental upgrades, or when you, my God, battery is going. When you can sometimes maybe you can't get right away what you want, right? For example, if you feel it's too expensive, or it financially doesn't make a lot of sense. And that idea is, what you can do is do incremental upgrades. So you're going to look for one thing that's a step closer to what you want, but it's not yet what you really want, right? But at least you're taking steps, and you're getting yourself also into that, into the thing that you want. And what you can also do is, sometimes you can also try it out, right? So you can, if you don't feel at ease, or if you're undecisive or about something, you can just try out what you're thinking about, and you're also taking a step towards it, and you just, or try something similar. So for example, with my house, I've been thinking, should I go to Lisbon or not? Should I, because here is more calm. Lisbon is more, there are lots of people, so it's more crowded, and yeah, things aren't as peaceful as here. But yeah, what I thought, what I can do, an incremental upgrade that I can do, is just, for example, I can rent a house in Lisbon and see how I feel living there now, because I lived there some years ago, but now it's different, right? Because I have another experience here in my house, so I can try it out, I can do, and that will be an incremental upgrade for the thing that I want, or at least for the thing that I'm thinking about, which is moving to Lisbon, so I can try out and live in a rented house for a while, right? So yeah, so that's the idea. It's just, if you can get what you want right away, that's probably the best decision, because yeah, I'm not sure, but it also depends, of course, on your case. But it can be a great decision, because you'll be happy with that decision, and in the long run, it will save you money, because you just got what you want, right? So you don't have to trade it off somewhere late, some time later. You already have it, and you will be happier from the get-go, right? But if you can't do that, a good way is also to do those incremental upgrades, and then you feel that you're getting there in a way, so you're getting closer, so you're progressing, you're evolving, and that will also help you to feel happier. And yeah, and it also will help you be more comfortable with the idea of having what you want in the end. So those are the tips, and some questions you can do, an exercise you can do is ask yourself what is something that you want, and can you get it exactly what you want right away, or if you can't, what is an incremental upgrade that you can do towards that. And yeah, that was it. And I also wanted to tell you a bit about my new program, which is called Style and Success Mastermind, or Success and Style Mastermind, because I'm a bit I first the name was one, then I changed it to another one, so in some places I have one name, in the other places I have another. That's okay, no problem. It's just a bit of disorganization, usually normal disorganization, but yeah, you can check it out. I'm going to put the link in the comments below, and it's about creating your success and changing your style, transforming your image. And the idea is to become the person that you need to be where you want to be, right? So to create the life you want and to create the style you want. We're also going to see about the strategy, about having the style, so the methods, you will have my style course and my style app to help you with that. And yeah, that's it about the course, and I'll put the link in the comments below. You can check it out. Talk soon. Bye.